What gonna guys, crypto family, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to hide your portfolio balance right in Coinbase. This is very important because of security purpose, and some of us didn't like showing off our balance. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the quickest way to hide your portfolio right in Coinbase. But before we jump start, please be sure to hit the like button down below this video because it helps this video to rank on YouTube and reach more people that also want these helpful tips also. And if you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more, because I give a lot of more investment tips about cryptocurrency and also provide you with quality tech videos to help you make good buying decisions when you are out there in getting your new smartphone or any of your gadgets out there. So let's dive into the video. So now I'm on my Coinbase account, and I'm sure you guys also have opened up your Coinbase account to learn these new tips. So if you are just a beginner and you didn't have a Coinbase account whereby you can just log in using this app, I put a link in the video description to this app and also how you can sign up and get started with Coinbase, because this is one of the most best crypto blockchain that you can trust and save your assets on. So as you can see right now, I'm now on the app. As you can see, I actually transfer money into my assets, whereby I just bought some of the coin which I just want to make for purpose of this tutorial. And if you guys really appreciate me for doing this for you guys, please be sure to hit the like button. So as you can see right now, I want to hide all this token right here, this token balance right here, because I don't want anybody to see the balance of my assets in my portfolio. So I'm going to be showing you what to do. As you can see right now, the quickest way you can do that really quick is that you come to your balance at this top right here. You want to click on it and hold it down. As you can see, it has hide your balance for all the Bitcoin or all the assets which you hold. As you can see, it's going to hide all of them. And if you don't want to hide it anymore, you want to view it, just come back and click on it again and hold it down and leave it. It's going to be showing the balance in your portfolio. So another way to do that is go back right here. You want to go back and come to this pay option right here, and you want to come to these three dots right here and go to settings. As you can see, this is very long process, but you need to familiar with it. You want to come down to this option right here that say hide balance right there. You want to toggle on this option, and you're gonna just click on dismiss, and you want to see that right when you come back to your asset right here, it has also hide your portfolio balance. And I hope you guys gain value out of this video. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on, and share this video among your friends. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye, crypto family.